What is up, my beautiful people out there? Interweb, it's your girl Yelly, Bellies, and
the annoying monster. I'm annoying.
Yeah, the annoying monster. And this cute little baby. She's so big. I don't know when was the last time I completely featured her. Hey, no muerdas.
Like
No, no, no.
She was like this big
No, ma'am.
when we first got
No,
her.
ma'am. No biting, little lady. Thank you, ma'am.
She was this big when we got her.
Yeah. And she loves to bite. And today what we're going to do is we're going to do the DIY bath bomb set. Yeah, that I got her. And it comes with, if you want to unbox it.
Yay!
It comes with 3 fragrance droppers, 2 essential oils, 1 bag of Epsom salt. I have some in the bathroom. 1 bag of sea salt, 1 body shimmer lotion, baking soda, 6 mica colorants, 1 bath bomb mixture. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sunflower oil, Ned, and perfume base, and a bag of glitter. No, ma'am. No biting.
Got it.
Yeah, and this is what all of that looks like.
Oh, I can put instructions. We need these.
This is what it looks like. Okay, so for the bath bomb, you need the baking soda, the essential oil.
Wait, isn't it here?
Essential oil.
What is? Oh,
These.
sorry.
Pick one.
I want those.
The mica powder, which I think it's these. Are these the mica powder? Where is the glitter at? Does it not come with glitter? I don't think it comes with glitter, to be honest.
I think these are the glitters.
That's not glitter, that's mica powder. Dried flowers, which is right here, this little thing. Bath bomb mold, which is right here. Water, go get water. A bowl, measuring cup. Okay, gather your dry ingredients to your first bath bomb. Get a bowl at 7 tablespoons of bath bomb mix. So you need, Bella, we have to put her on her side and put the gate there so that she wouldn't come over here. So it says,
and we're in the video.
hang up here. Take it up.
Okay.
Oh, here's the glitter. No wonder we couldn't find it. So we can give you guys a better view. And sorry, you guys are seeing my feet. Okay, so I'm only gonna pour the baking soda just because, let's be real, but you suck at measuring. So, no, that's a scrub. Go to the bath bomb. That's 4,
We don't want
5, 6, 7. That's 7 little tablespoons. Okay, now I know why I was misreading it. Where is this? We don't have teaspoons, but it's 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, which 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons, so just 2/3 of it. So there goes 1, 2, and just a little bit more. I'm gonna do the dry ingredients. You're gonna do the rest. Okay. So baking soda. It says mix thoroughly with your hands, but we're not gonna do that. Add half a teaspoon of mica powder. Okay, what colors are you gonna do?
I want to do this color because it looks interesting.
This color? There is no color to this, but okay.
It looks like a tannish.
It is. It's like a gold.
Yeah,
Because we're only going with 1 color now.
Keep on mixing or stop.
Yeah,
mixing?
I'm just gonna eye it. That's a good amount.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Do you want glitter in it?
Yeah.
Okay, I found the glitter. I thought it didn't come with glitter, but it does.
With, like these
There we go. There's some glitter.
Wait, can you hand me that plastic over there? Okay.
These pipettes.
Yeah.
That's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. That's about 15 drops of essential oil.
This is gonna smell good.
Blend it together.
Blend.
Have a teaspoon of water as you're blending. Water. Where's the measure? Oh, you have it.
You want to use this?
Just grab a tiny little bit. Just grab a tiny little bit.
With this?
Tiny little bit. That's a lot of it. Okay. Mix it. Ooh, okay. That's a baking soda. I don't know if you guys saw the bubbles. But we saw the bubbles. Go get some gloves.
Okay.
Oh, this smells really nice. It smells like vanilla. Hurry up and so you can come smell it. But this smells really, really nice.
I'm trying to get it.
The gloves?
Yep.
Where are they? Oh, okay. We have gloves just because our parents work in the restaurant industry. Okay, it says now grab a mold.
Yep.
And press it in there. Oh, look how nice it's pressing in there.
Can I do the other one?
Yeah, go ahead. So we had a couple little technical difficulties just because my phone was running out of memory and I was running out of time, but that's because I had a lot of videos that I had forgotten to delete. So it has been a while. My hair is dry, as you can tell, but we did get a bath bomb in. It's just not dry yet, but you can see the little rose petal leaves, so you guys don't think, no, you just took one that you guys bought. It's sparkly, it's shimmery. I don't know if that is noticeable, but I can tell that it is a little bit wet. So we're gonna let it dry for about a day before we actually use it. And it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. We're gonna try and make some other ones, and then we'll just feature them on our Instagram. Well, my Instagram, I have two. My personal one, which is Nayeli PJ, and then my YouTube one, which is Lely Loves 15. And we would love if you guys would follow us, and then as soon as we reach 250 subscribers, we will do a giveaway for some bell bombs. Bao is right now a little bit busy. She's getting ready to do some stuff. I don't know what she's gonna do, but she's over there getting creative in her bedroom, and I am getting ready to head out with the bae. I know, it's quarantine, but I still gotta go out because your girl can't be home for too long. I can't be here 24 hours, 7 days a week. No. And my parents are home. Bye.